Lift that feet up. Lift that up. Food, bandana, gold necklace, need a beer. That's what I'm gonna go.
What'd you say? Flip them, Frank, flip them. Okay. All right, boy. Come here, baby. Good girl. Come on. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. What do you mean, where's your beer? Where's your beer, Frank? There you go. There you go, boy.
That's just why I got.
Let's see you slap it on, dude. There you go. Take the paper off. This is Frank's resume. Yes, they taste better. How many more do you have to cook, Frank?
That's it.
That's it.
Yep.
Uno. Holy cow. You know we got 500 people showing up, don't you?
That's all right. Happy birthday, Rhonda.
What'd you say, Debbie?
It's been first birthday, Rhonda.
Who's Rhonda? Who's Rhonda?
Who look like I forgot? That girl with the brown hair?
Yeah. Ronnie, catch any fish? Come on, you're on the camera, you can lie. Huh? Take your swimming trunks off. Hey, Mo. Where's Curly? Huh? Frank.
Are we tracking it down? I tell you what. What's up? You gotta pull the neck down, don't do that. What? They know. Oh, we come down that way.
Happy birthday to you. Birthday girl.
My banks might have hit over me. Oh, for real, no.
That's why I told him to be with somebody's hand. Yeah, a bunch of ways.
Hey, Ryan, you know what Michael Jackson told OJ, don't you? Don't worry, Joe J, I'll watch the kids. Really said I'll rear the kids, but I didn't want to say that. Yeah, pancakes and Swiss, sweet,
Fresh squeezed OJ. Hey, what are you doing? Protect like your daddy. Come on, Wanda. Come on, birthday girl. It's your birthday. Debbie, I'm getting good evidence with your daughter. You brought her up right. Rhonda, your mother's very proud of you with the broom in your hand.
Wait till she starts flying with it. That's real good. That's the next move. I hope she don't hit no trees. Well, how's it supposed to be?
Buying the house.
I wouldn't. I wouldn't take my old raggedy truck down there.
Stand up.
So I wouldn't even take mine down there. Now, how can he? It's only two-wheel drive. He did that when we were deer hunting.
Oh, God, that's all real good.
And then Clovis is fine. What? Yeah, right.
You better hurry, kid. I got you.
Guy said, I'm thinking you're dead. I said, yeah, right.
Got you right on. Get me closer on. Hurry, hurry, hurry.
I went to them already last year when they were deer hunting. I let him and Tommy take it out. They brought it back the next day.
I know. I'm running around looking at mothers.
Rhonda,
I'm in a state of
what are
confusion.
you doing? State of confusion. What are they? What are they? Go, girl. Go, girl.
Yeah, girl, get the 20.
He got that on film, too. I knew you were a left-handed Pollock. Oh, hit it, goddammit. Look at you like a little wimp.
You used the wrong side.
There you go.
To break the stick. One.
Debbie, would you show her how to use the damn hammer?
Four. There she goes. She's getting it.
She went up hitting her toes.
She's getting it. Gets on here as well.
Mm-hmm.
Hit that station 96, but Play some of these maybe.
Oh, please, you can go on either side of the ladder. You got to do it right where the ladder's at. Move the house. Trying to move the house a little bit. Move the house over a little bit.
Ship me a moon. Ship me a moon. A moon.
Put them off, Ryan. Put them off, Ryan.
Oh,
All the way down.
aircraft signals.
Aircraft signals. I got it. They used to have that video camera down there.
Fucking lights go off, the whole black life is right there. Can't take the blood on there. I mean, there's blood on the people.
I would take the old truck of mine in. Well, my truck's over, it's still like new, but I wouldn't, it's an 86, that white one, that's an 86, but I wouldn't take it down there in that shit.
You want to have something to drive home?
No, that four-wheel's fine for getting out of snow and shit, but I ain't gonna just take it off. Doing something you drive every day of your life.
The only thing is, you got out, you know, because when you put stuff in mud, you can't get out.
I can do it right from inside. Yeah.
I think you got...
Yeah.
Take it where? Dad.
Store, Dad.
What store?
Cool.
Somebody's sneezing.
Chill out, baby.
Rita. It was like a little candy storm, dude. I got in there with him in the one for a little while. Oh, we did our research. I was going, yeah, get this, get that, get that.
Tom, did you wash your hands first? Tom, did you wash your hands? No. Well, get your snotty hands out of there then.
Hold on for a minute.
What do you want?
You got that on tape?
Harvey, get over here.
Dad,
What?
where's my...
Wait.
DJ to DJ.
Watch your fucking mouths now, please.
Mine too?
Yeah.
Yeah, my nose is in my way.
Ah. No, you're fine. Yeah. Get on your fire, girl. Here, Melissa, says you want to go in the tent, lay down a little bit?
Does anybody want to sleep with me?
So you ate it raw, right?
Huh?
You ate it raw?
Cut a beer can in half.
Oh, well.
We didn't even know it. Baby barbecue, huh? It's just new sticks to burn them up already.
Lissy Pissy.
And I didn't do it. When I dropped it, he was in the pool. The other
Smile. Hey, bro, one drink. Come on.
What is it? Go on, go for it.
Rhonda, say happy birthday. Happy birthday, Rhonda. There's a kid there. He's good ass. Gonna get a hook in his ear.
I'm gonna go on the van.
Smile, you're on camera.
You is
Come
too.
on, smile.
girlfriend, I'll put her in that
Smile, girlfriend.
got that look on her face.
Once in a while, the band is.
You need a smile for two?
That's a Band-Aid.
No.
Are they done yet?
Well, hi, Dorothy. Hi, Dorothy.
Hi, Tom.
Graham, let me take a good look at you, you little mud rat.
That's why I thought you were following me.
Some team footy. Wow.
Right here.
Good job, Ryan.
One to film over there.
Here, I can put it down. Put it down in front of my face.
Quickly?
One more time, Mom.
I bet I can put it right in my hand and start drinking.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
No, because when it comes forward, it's going to feel.
I'll get.
You know what Smokey the Bear said about that, don't you?
Whose deck did you get that off of?
That ain't a 4x4, that's a 2x2. Hey,
There you go.
Ryan, that's a 2x2.
2 by twice? That's it. Ron knows. How they do that?
Very carefully.
Oh, man. Doesn't that take us back?
And you had to get all this smoke coming right in my face, didn't you?
Fire didn't
I'll tell you what, just to start us off, I'd be more than happy to move everybody.
No, that's cool, that's fine.
Mark.
Because I want a big fire.
But I was on fire. Gonna put a hole in it.
Brandon?
might have been taller than that.
Grant, please be careful, son. Got you on tape.
Yeah, I didn't think about that until afterwards. Like, you know, it's continuous a lot.
This boat's got on the other end. So we're getting both up.
Check 1, 2.
Ronnie.
Check 1, 2, 1, 2.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Ronnie.
Check 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Just fill up a dress. Fill up a dress this one.
Check.
Hey, no
Check
trick.
1, 2.
No trick.
Check 1, 2.
Here, I need to check out
Check 1, 2.
126,000.
Check. Check.
How they rolling, Ronnie? Ronnie. Ron Meyer, how they rolling?
Like a 300-pound grizzly bear. You get a picture of our feet off.
What?
I'm so rocky.
Just make sure you throw them the direction.
I'll throw him in.
Where's our game, Matt?
Oh, nice.
Check 3.
Cooking their cherries or what?
Is the light on the table? Your light on?
Yeah, with this light here, yeah. See, or else I can hit this button here right now if I need be, but that won't even pick up. Hey, baby! What? Evidently, picking up for a good one.
She'll bring it back, little heart.
Still saying MF on it, on the left.
What does that mean? Motherfucker?
Motherfucker should be picking up though.
Is that about out of film?
Huh?
Isn't that about out of film?
No. As long as I don't run out of battery, but I got the charger.
About out of battery?
I got the charger with me too. Ran this frog. I'm getting your old wazoo there. Getting your old wazoo. Your 21-year-old wazoo.
4 out. Cheers. Ryan. I tell you what I'll do. So your feet touch the ground. I'll get you a little bit of a block or something to sit on.
Isn't that river shallow?
I want your feet to touch the ground now.
Isn't that river out there shallow?
Check 1, 2, 1, 2.
Hey, you want a knife?
Check 1, 2, 1, 2.
You want a knife? You want something?
No, don't give me that. I'm sorry. We got knife right here.
This man was looking in the front seat with me. No, with me.
Back just a little bit. Brenda. No. Turn the angle. The angle. So, this way. Go like this. Yeah, there you go. Yay, baby!
What do you want? You want to get mischievous?
You guys aren't taking our hair film?
Do what?
We're trying to get another hair film for the clothes. That one was about on.
She's kidding. Ain't been there that long.
I said they're not drinking. I'm talking. Get along.
Oh, it's different.
I've been drinking my own beer. I mean, I don't care. How much is it?
I'll chip in.
See what they get. If you don't have enough, come back. See my dad. I have to beat her up going to fucking room. I hate to do that just like it's early at night. But I guess I could. Man, I just guess I could anyhow. Like this.
You jump high those suckers. Need bigger things, Dad.
Hey, Ryan.
I'm getting her wazoo, her birthday wazoo.
It's good.
Her sister just...
Rhonda's tush.
Rhonda, stand over.
Your tush is on camera, Rhonda. Pucker up. Pucker up. Your tush is on camera.
Check 1, 2. Check 1, 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is yours? Yeah. My Scott's right there.
Scott.
Check 1, 2.
Tuesday, happy birthday cookie. Tiny cup.
How you doing?
Okay, bro.
We're celebrating Rhonda's birthday.
Run up.
Rodeo. What time are you finishing?
The rodeo.
Is there any soda anywhere?
No. You want to run and get some?
Hi. Hi, Ronald Jr.
Come here. Oh, let me see how
Huh? You got me down pat now. Good at it.
Good with you?
There's Rhonda waving. See him waving over
Yeah. You get something there? Without no...
Don't pull that out. Under the track for dear life. So now I've gotten to where she'll hold my hand instead of holding the track. You have to give her a prize.
Rhonda. Rhonda. Rhonda Meyer.
Rhonda! Rhonda! Rhonda!
Something like to play some music. I guess the berries were given. No, we'll give it this. What you got there, Brand? Tell me. Bring it back a little bit. Take it back a little bit.
Check 1, 2.
Happy birthday, we love you.
We're ready.
All right. Here's that. I don't know happy birthday. I don't know the words to it, but I'll tell you what, I know the volume.
Give Ron the microphone.
Ready? Hey. 1, 2, checking. Check this out. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rhonda. Happy birthday, we love you.
ladies.
Hey, come on, baby. I don't belong here. It's okay, you just do what it please. You wear no shoe shine, I told you put on the eye. Long your finger, you should cause the crater. You said I told you, you know me. One thing I can tell you is you've got to be free. Come together right now over me. Look at he's just so hard to see. Come together right now.
Okay, good night, thanks. Metallica. All right, back to the program, boys.
Come on now. Don't be teasing.
Hurry up on Thursday.
Mother. Something's over there. The rail's over there.
That was mighty fine by There you go. Your mama said so. Oh, one.
Thank you. We are going to take another